Epidemiology is the study of the distribution and potential causes of health and disease conditions in a defined population. Epidemiological studies influence public health policy decisions. They show how exposures to a given substance may change the rate of disease in a given population. These studies are common. Not a day goes by without the media reporting how an everyday product impacts human health. But it can be hard to know which studies to believe. That's why we have drawn up a list of 5 quality checks on health studies. 1. Is the study peer-reviewed? All studies must follow established scientific methods, and an independent peer review can build trust in the results. Number 2. Does the study show correlation or causation? Two things can be correlated, for example, red cars and crashes. However, that doesn't mean the color red causes crashes. Next, have other potential causes been assessed? For instance, a study showing an association between illness and exposure to a substance should also demonstrate that other causes have not played a role in the outcome. Number 4. How was exposure measured? The range of exposure levels among different people can be vast and difficult to compare. Also, study subjects may not be able to accurately report their level of exposure. And finally, 5. Is there consensus with other research? Scientific literature may have previous studies on similar subjects to support or counter the weight of evidence. Using these 5 quality checks will help put results of a population health study into perspective.